Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm showing you how to make these easy homemade buttermilk biscuits. These are made in one bowl without a mixer and they come together in about 30 minutes. To start by making the biscuits, you'll combine your dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Then just simply give that a whisk to combine. Once that's all whisked together, you'll add in 6 tablespoons of cold unsalted cubed butter. You'll work this in with a pastry cutter until it's about pea-sized. You want the butter cold though, so it doesn't get absorbed into the flour and you end up with tall, flaky biscuits. Then stir in 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can simply use a cup of regular milk and stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar. You'll stir this together until it comes into a wet, shaggy dough, and then it's time to shape and cut the biscuits. On a lightly floured countertop, you'll add your biscuit dough. If it's a little bit on the sticky side, make sure to keep your hands lightly floured. You can do the shaping step with a rolling pin or simply your hands. You'll press the dough down into about a 1/2 inch thickness, and then you'll fold the dough into thirds. You'll start by folding the dough from one side into the middle, and then fold the other side on top. You're going to repeat this folding step 2 more times, flattening it down and then folding in half on each side. On the last folding step, you'll cut out your biscuits. Flatten it down into about 1 inch thickness and use your biscuit cutter to press out your biscuits. Make sure to press the biscuit cutter straight down. Do not give it a twist. Otherwise, you'll end up with biscuits that don't rise as tall and are lopsided. Once you get your first batch of biscuits cut out, you can place them onto your parchment-lined baking sheet and then use the scraps to cut out the rest. I usually get about 8 to 9 biscuits out of one batch. Make sure to place your biscuits close together so the edges are touching. This is what's going to help to make really tall biscuits. Before they go into the oven, I like to brush the tops with a little bit of extra buttermilk. And then they're ready to bake into a 450-degree oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. They come out beautifully golden brown, soft, and flaky. And that's it. There you go. How easy was that? For the full recipe, it's listed in the description below. When they come out of the oven, I like to brush on a little bit of extra butter and a little bit of sprinkle of sea salt. And if you like these easy baking recipe tutorials, make sure to hit subscribe below. And until next time, happy baking.